Hello everyone. So today we are going to see compound microscope. Okay. In our last lecture we have seen the simple microscope and the magnification in simple microscope. Okay. You remember this. The magnification, normal magnification m is equal to d by ue. Right? Minimum magnification was b by f. Minimum magnification were there when b is equal to infinite. Maximum magnification was 1 plus d by f when b is equal to minus d, or let's say d. This is the general formula of magnification. Okay, for simple microscope. Today we are going to see compound microscope. And I told you that simple microscope is nothing but a convex lens. Okay, so let me start compound microscope. The word compound says that it has more than one lenses. Okay, here it can have many lenses, but in our let's say syllabus there are only two lenses. The first lens is known as objective lens and the second lens is known as eyepiece. Right? Okay. The first lens is known as objective lens and the second lens is eyepiece, and there is a common principal axis. So this is objective lens, this is eyepiece. Okay. Now let me put the object somewhere over here. Okay. This object is not between O and F. Remember, O and F ની વચ્ચે આપણે અહીંયા કહી દઈએ આપણે, let's say O1, let's say O2. તો O and F ની વચ્ચે object નથી. Okay, it is beyond F. F થી દૂર છે. So there will be first ray over here. It will going through F. Let's say here is somewhere it is F. It is going like this way. Okay, and there is a second ray from here. So let's say here it meets. So here it is object AB with height h object. Right, here it is a dash image with height, whatever height is there. Let's say the object distance is u object. Object distance is u object, and the image distance is v object. Image distance is v object. Okay, chalo, good. Now the image of objective lens is between O2 and F of eyepiece. F is the focal length of eyepiece. So the image of objective lens is between F and O2. તો હવે જુઓ તમે, સિમ્પલ માઇક્રોસ્કોપ જેવું થઈ ગયું કે નહીં? બસ અહીંયાથી સિમ્પલ માઇક્રોસ્કોપ સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયું. નથિંગ ધેર. ઓકે, આ જે છે એ ઇમેજ છે કોની? આની. બટ ધીસ ઇમેજ ઇઝ નાઉ એન ઓબ્જેક્ટ ફોર આઈપીસ. ઓકે, હવે કે છે between f and o, this image is between f and o. તો આની virtual upright and magnified image અહીંયા ક્યાંક બનશે. virtual upright and magnified image અહીંયા આ ઊભી છે, આપણે ઊભી જ બનશે. એ ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે? ઓકે, ચલો. નાવ હાઉ, કેવી રીતે બનશે? તો લેટ્સ સે one ray is going like parallel and it will passes through focal length. Let's say it is passing through F, so it is passing through F. Okay, and another ray is going like this way. Okay, so both ray will meet somewhere over here. Let's say A double dash, B double dash. This ray are not going to meet. આ બંને રે એકબીજાને મળવાના. One is parallel passing through F. One is passing through O going without deflection. These both are divergent ray. So let us produce backward. It will meet over here. This is the concept of compound microscope. Okay, simple છે હે અહીંયા આ જે છે એ તો નોર્મલ સિમ્પલ માઇક્રોસ્કોપ જ છે. આ જે કન્ડિશન છે આ ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે, આ લેન્સ છે, કોન્વેક્સ લેન્સ. ઓબ્જેક્ટ ઇઝ બિટવીન F and O2 and આની જે ઇમેજ છે એ અહીંયા બનશે વર્ચ્યુઅલ અપરાઇટ મેગ્નિફાઈડ. તો એ તો આ તો સિમ્પલ માઇક્રોસ્કોપ જ છે. ખાલી અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ લેન્સ છે એની એક ઇમેજ મેગ્નિફાઈડ બને છે, બસ એટલું જ તે. અને ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ લેન્સની જે ઇમેજ બને છે ધેટ ઇઝ બિટવીન F and O2. Clear? Simple. Finish. Now this distance is V. This is the object distance. This is the object distance for eyepiece. So U eyepiece, and this is the V eyepiece. Clear, Taisha? This is U object, V object. U eyepiece, V eyepiece. Clear? Okay. Now, what is the magnification? Magnification beta is equal to magnification is equal to beta by alpha. But you know alpha is H object by D. Constant છે alpha તો constant છે. Okay, last lecture જોઈ લો એવું લાગે તો. But what is beta? For magnification we need to find beta. Beta is the angle made by an image, final image. This is the final image. So over here, okay, here it is our eyes, somewhere over here, and the angle is over here, beta. Angle made by an image. But see here, whatever image, same angle is made by object also. Now this image is object for eyepiece, so this is beta. So what we will write? We will write here tan beta is equal to this height. This height is a dash b dash divided by this distance. This distance is UE. UE is minus UE, or let's say UE minus UE. So this by this UE. Okay. But tan beta is nearly beta because here all the angles are very very small. So a dash b dash by UE. Clear? But what is a dash b dash? What is a dash b dash? So what is a dash b dash? So for that, magnification of objective lens. What is the magnification of objective lens? Objective lens is equal to a dash b dash by H of image distance by object distance, image distance, a dash b dash minus, because this is downward, magnification for objective lens. Okay, and the image object is over here, H of. This will be minus V by U, but this distance is plus, this distance is minus. So minus VO by UO. So minus will be cancelled out. Okay, so what will be there? So A dash B dash is equal to VO by UO into H of A dash B dash is equal to VO by UO into H of. Put it over here. So what will be the beta? Beta will be A dash B dash. So VO by UO into H of by UE by UE. Clear? So this is the beta. Okay, chalo. Now what is the magnification? Magnification is beta by alpha. So magnification M is equal to beta. Beta is VO by UO into H of by UE upon alpha. Alpha is H of by D. So alpha is H O by D. So what will be there? H O will be cancelled out. D will come over here. So VO by UO into D by UE. Okay. So this is the magnification, final magnification. But VO by UO is the magnification of objective lens, and D by UE is the magnification for eyepiece. Here magnification for eyepiece, D by UE. So this is magnification of objective lens, this is magnification of eyepiece. So the total magnification will be M of ME, multiplication of M and ME. Clear? Okay. Now, if magnification is minimum, then V VO by UO. D by UE. What is D by UE? Magnification minimum. D by UE. D by UE is D by F. D by F. Magnification minimum. Maximum is equal to MO. MO is VO by U. ME. What is magnification maximum? 1 plus D by F. 1 plus D by F. Clear? Very simple. VO by U, D by U. This is the final equation for magnification. Okay. So this is MO, this is ME. Now minimum magnification. MO is VO by U. ME is for minimum magnification D by F. For maximum magnification, MO is VO by U. ME is 1 plus D by F. ओके कई ख्याल आवे छे ओके चलो तो आज छे मिनिमम मैग्निफिकेशन छे आ छे ए मैक्सिमम मैग्निफिकेशन छे तो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप जस्ट सी हियर वंस मोर okay let's say here we have objective lens, here we have eyepiece, object is over here, the image will be over here, so this is UO, this is VO. Now this image is between F and O for eyepiece, so it will make the virtual and upright image, magnified image. Okay, here it is not upright because object is downward, so image will be same downward. Okay, magnified image. So this is object for eyepiece, so UE. This is image for eyepiece, so VE. Now, what is the magnification? Beta by alpha. But alpha is clear. Alpha is HO by D. What is beta? Beta is the angle made by image. So this is the image, this is the beta. So beta is equal to A dash B dash by UE. A dash B dash by UE. But what is A dash B dash? So magnification is objective of objective lens MO is equal to this height divided by this height is equal to this distance divided by this distance. So these are this height by this height, this distance by this distance. So A dash B dash we got it. Now what is beta? Beta, tan beta is beta, and beta is A dash B dash by UE. A dash B dash is this much, so beta is over here. And magnification beta by alpha. So beta is here, so beta by alpha. So magnification is VO by U, D by UE. But VO by U is magnification of objective lens. D by U is magnification for eyepiece. So for minimum magnification, MO is VO by UO and ME is minimum magnification D by F. So D by F. For maximum magnification, MO is equal to VO by UO, ME is equal to 1 plus D by F. 1 plus D by F. Okay, that's all for compound microscope. बहुत सिंपल છે આને કોમ્પ્લિકેટ નહીં કરતા હે ને આ કન્સેપ્ટને કોમ્પ્લિકેટ નહીં કરતા બહુ સિમ્પલ કન્સેપ્ટ છે થોડું રિવાઇઝ કરશો તમે લોકો જોઈ લો એકવાર ઝડપથી થોડું રિવાઇઝ કરશો એટલે તમને તરત આવડી જશે એની ગેરંટી છે ઓકે સો that's all for today and in our next lecture let's see what we will start. I think it will be telescope. Okay, અને I hope કે તમે લોકો સમજી રહ્યા છો થોડું ધ્યાન આપશો તો સમજશો હે ને ટેલિસ્કોપ જો વચ્ચે વચ્ચે પેલું રેઇનબો એન્ડ સ્કેટરિંગ ને બધો ટોપિક છે મેં સ્કીપ કરેલો છે બિકોઝ ધીસ ઇઝ અ રિવિઝન એન્ડ એ ટોપિક એવા છે કે તમે રીડિંગ કરીને પણ સમજી શકો છો ઓકે ધીસ ઓલ આર ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઓકે તો એ મેં તમને એક્સપ્લેન કરી દીધું છે શાંતિથી વાંચજો લેક્ચર રિવાઇઝ કરજો અને થોડો એન્જોય કરજો ઓકે થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.